Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a fun USDT, fun token targets updates with my customer Chris. Let's dive in, guys. I want to show you the oldest chart. So this is a full chart of this token because this is not a brand new one. It's since June 17, and this is a gaming sector, right? What is good now in general? If the fun token pump it, if this is not some pump and dump. I mean, it's good for gaming sector. So probably and maybe the Mobox, maybe the portal, if the portal will be not delisted, will follow the Waxy, will follow, who knows, the Alice, maybe it's a new wave, for the gaming sector. I guess the Immutable X can pump also. So what is good for this token? All tokens in circular supply, but you have to keep in mind because the people trap it with a psychological trigger like $1 price for all tokens. When the people invest like 1K in some token which traded 1 cent, the people dream about if and when this token will hit the $1, I will be rich, right? Or 2K or 10K, but I don't think so. This token will ever hit the 10 billion market capitalization, just in case. So this is not a brand new one token, but what is good? 96% tokens in circular supply. So it's easy to pump and dump, right? Because someone can control the big emission of this token and control the market, control even the price section of this token. Take a look for all of these chart lovers who believe every new cycle, we have to reach the new all-time high for every single token. It doesn't work like this one because this is a real chart. So even by market capitalization, even by chart. So previous all-time high by market capitalization was around $500 million. Around $500 million. So why this time we have to reach like 1 billion? It's hard to say how high we're gonna pump. Right? And take a look. This is a chart. I'm not counting this week. I just count from this top. This is a support drop. Take a look. We tested. It's a weekly time frame. We tested. Perfectly test 27 block. The bad moment, we didn't test it this time. So we stopped it in March 2024 at 0.201843. Since that time, we performed pretty good one. And congrats everybody who took a risk. I usually not buying this type of tokens because we was in zone of interest. So 680%. Basically, guys, this is not a mistake. Just think about it. This is not a mistake to fix a profit. Just ask yourself, is it okay to fix a profit or not? This was a COVID dump. 0.2010 and 90. Last cycle, so previous one, the fund token performed to $500 million, almost $500 million market capitalization, 5,600% gains. What I notice is cycle after cycle, we can form this price action, this price movement, even something like this one. This spiral. That's why I will be not surprised if from that low we're gonna hit the half. So we're gonna sweep this high, this liquidity pool, and we'll be like 2,000% gains, and we're gonna stop at 4 cents. If you believe in crazy GameFi new era, you can wait the next target like 23 Loba hit this high, but not a new all-time high. Crazy positive, it's 11 cents, 10 cents, also the round number, 6,000% gains. I don't think so. We're going to hit the 6,000% gains this run, but everything possible. Just in case, guys, everything possible. If we double check with the magic nodes, this is a fun token on Ethereum now. If we turn on the magic nodes, we can see the clusters. So this one cluster is going to be 1.37% cluster hold supply, 56 wallets connected together, right? Now it's 2 million value. 2 million value across all of this cluster. The green one is not a big one, so 29 wallets, 372K. But anyway, guys, all of these guys, right, can sell immediately, right? If this is a group of people, right, and affect the price. But all of these tokens, guys, is just a pure speculation. So keep in mind, any token can pump and dump. So after 100% profit, just withdraw initial deposit, forget about this token. Don't build the crazy expectations, for the tokens, because everything should be like realistic, realistic, because the people wait some crazy gains. This cycle is totally different, not like a previous one. So like conclusion, if we use this FIB, this chart, global one, yes, they can push the price to 10 cents, for example. With 10 cents, we're gonna hit 1 billion market capitalization with 10 cents, and it's possible. Basically, it's possible. Why not? But keep in mind, not all tokens will hit their new high and new all-time high. Most conservative price targets, it's 2,000% gains. From the bottom, it's around 4 cents. 4 cents to sweep this liquidity pool. If we market, so this one, this is like a first target, first and maybe main target for the FunToken. Just in case, if we go back to monthly time frame, here's a gap is 1 cent 78 and liquidity pool. If we sweep this one, of course, the next row is 6 cents and the test of 7.23 lower by FIB. In the next bear market, I guess we're gonna drop. If we will see something like this one, we're gonna drop inside 27 block if this token will be still exist. Most positive case scenario, if something will happen with the gaming industry, right? And we go into 1 billion market capitalization with the FunToken. At the good moment, this token trade on all major exchanges and not under monitoring tag on a Binance. Let's double check with my customer request. ADZ I can't show you because it's a crypto. It's like an average from all exchanges. Here, once again, the good note for the future, we can accumulate a token, especially if this token dump on a monthly time frame to capitulation zone. So capitulation zone starts at 0.204, 0.202, hit the new low, right? And pump 600%. Now it's a hope. Now it's a hope and a optimism. Last time the hope, we saw it here. After that, we dump it again into disbelief and trade long-term period in capitulation zone. Weekly time frame, guys. This is now a-free on a weekly. But the zero level, right, relevant. 3 cents, relevant. So this is a-free, but not that like it was here by end of cycle of April 21. Once again, the good moments here accumulate when we see the direction accumulation. This is how the whales accumulate, and capitulation, great color. Now, based on the risk ratio, I'm better skip this token. I'm better skip it. The idea can be good one because for the other gaming sector tokens. So if the FunToken show that direction, it can be the good one for other GameFi sector tokens. What we can see on a weekly here, it was a buy signal, take profit, sell, buy back. No new signal to buy or sell. Money outflow step by step. So it means the whales step by step, the fix the profit. So be careful. Here was the money inflow. Now we going straight to the top, and soon we will see the money outflow. So just be careful, guys, because everything should be in time. If you skip some token, just better skip it. Skip it and not gamble. Last indicator, what I would like to show you, it's take profit. Take profit on a monthly. Here, when we trade on a monthly under fair value, it's good time for accumulation. When we trying to break the exit line, it's not the right time to buy. Can we go higher like this one? Yes, we can, but around here, mostly, we're gonna drop to correction. So just in case, or we reject now, or we go into correction after the test of zero level. Here we was under fair value, test the buy line, good time to buy. I skipped this token because I can't physically track all coins. It's impossible. And I don't have unlimited budget to buy all of this one. We trade way over exit line on the weekly time frame. It's not a bullish signal, guys. On the distance, yes, of course. On the distance, yes, of course. If we go into the 4 cents, right, 2,000% gains, it's okay. But ask yourself, is it okay for you to take a risk for potential 200%, right? With a potential dump like, again, 74%. So ask yourself. I hope it's something good for GameFi sector in general. What this candle about? Take a look. How would it be possible? The people still believe we trade against each other. We trade against the bots. Craziness. We close every single day almost at the same level. Take a look here on this one. Okay, close here. 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.2099, 99, 1, 1, bump. It's just physically impossible. So all world, traded this token on all major exchanges, and we close the day at the same level. How would it be possible, guys? It means that the market makers just choose this token for now, and we can't know where they will stop this pump. So just in case, buy line for this token if we'll see the dump, but I don't think so. No, it's 0.2039, and from my value, it's 0.2098. The story can be also similar like with the Voxy. Voxy pump at 600% and after that dump. So just be careful, guys. Most positive case scenario, I showed you, I explained to you the logic to in or now or not now. I also explained to you, if you like to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.